Kung yun ba ay i-allow po ninyo sagutin?
Actually, pinag-aaralan namin ngayon, but off top. Dahil nga papasok ang budget, dahil marami kaming committee hearings na gagawin, nakikita ko na kakailanganin namin mag-rent ng space sa PICC. Dahil obviously, nagamit yung aming committee hearings sa
Committee offices, sir?
committee offices sa impeachment. So with that, we will need additional funds to rent the offices. So in short, wala kaming pondo para magbigay ng pagkain sa prosecution and defense.
Wait, yung PICC, sir, ay for your hearings or ililipat doon ng impeachment?
No, for the budget hearings. For the budget hearings.
How much are we looking at?
Pina-cost out pa namin ngayon. Kasi ngayon, ang available na committee rooms, 3 lang eh. So kung sunod-sunod na yung budget hearing and ini-expect namin mabigay sa amin yung NEP by middle of August. So kailangan talaga paspasan yung budget hearings. Plus yung mga committees pa, of course. So hindi kasya yung 3 committee rooms sa budget ng allocation.
SP na, yung letter bakit ni VP na nasagot na ba yun? Na
Hindi ko
niyo
pa
napagbigyan?
nasasagot dahil pina-finalize pa namin lahat itong arrangement.
So
Anong
it's
laman
not
ng
a no
letter,
yet.
sir? Anong
It's
laman
not
ng
a no yet. O it's a no
We
already?
cannot afford it, in short. No? Because nga, we will have to rent the space in PICC.
So aside from you cannot afford it, ay hindi din sa rules po, pwede din ba yun? Kung may pondo kayo, pwedeng sagutin ang pagkain ng lawyers, so hindi talaga susama. Based COA rules po siguro.
Decision na yan ng management ng Senado kung papayagan o hindi. But it's a basic issue of budget. Dahil nga hindi kaya ng budget dahil meron tayong ibang gastusin. We have to prioritize, of course, yung budget hearings at committee hearings.
Sir, on legislative